That shit just sound like you just want to go. You don't want to stop. You can't drive this slow. You just can't. You just can't, bro. You gotta go. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and we're back with another one. And today we're in a fucking srt8. So we got this today from the auction. You know, it's pretty clean to me. You know, it's not that bad. We could definitely get something better, but for now, we're gonna fuck with this one. Whoever had it definitely took care of it. I'll tell you that. Let me pop the hood for you guys. So right now, we're in the good side of town, but down here there's a lot of trouble, and we about to make that shit bark. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it. It's not in the best running condition. There is a lot of noise that I'm hearing from the fucking from the axle. So I don't know what's wrong with it yet, but so far it's alright. It's not too bad. So when I drive it slow, I hear a lot of shit, but when I drive it fast, I don't hear nothing. So let's drive fast. I think that's the fucking axle. Fuck this nigga done. Either the fucking axle is bad on the right front, or something up with the wheel. I don't fucking know. I think it would be super disrespectful if a cop tried to pull me over right now. Because I'm not stopping. And there's always heavy traffic in the hood. Where these niggas going, man? Stay home. Niggas don't want to go home. It's a fucking Q8. We got a Q8 in front of us. I used to work for Audi. by the way. Fuck them niggas though. They can't afford me now. The SRT is pretty fast, man. And if the SRT is that fast, the track hard, like what the fuck? This shit gonna fly, bro. That shit got a monthly delete, by the way. I don't know, who knows, man. I might just flip this shit. Might just sell it to somebody else. And get a fucking track hard. These niggas drive so slow, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me through, man. Can you imagine, like 2 years from now, we're gonna be driving the same fucking road, but in a fucking Lambo? That's gonna be crazy. We about to hop on the highway. Come on, old people, come on. We got a fucking Audi. Where he think he gonna go? This shit is a movie right now, man. This little Audi A3 think he gonna get me. That's crazy. Let's go, nigga. Me right now. Here go the Audi guy. A fucking A3. Nah, that's actually what. I think that's a. Yeah, that's an A3. You gonna try to race boosted villain with an A3? These niggas bugging out, man. That shit just sound like you just wanna go. You don't wanna stop. You can't drive this slow. You just can't. You just can't, bro. You gotta go. Straight up bullying everybody, bro. If you don't got a Hellcat, don't try to follow me home, nigga. Anyway, man, make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. It's a movie. We're gonna get it, man. We're gonna get the Trackhawk next. So let's keep grinding, guys. Go get that fucking money, man. Don't let them fool you, man. You need that money. Don't settle for a fucking 9 to 5. Let's get it.